Welcome back to the YouTube channel, race fans. Today I'm going to take you guys and girls through on how to purchase a Fox body stain look-alike cluster that I have designed and uploaded to my website at McCainracing.com. Also, a basic race loadout for your typical HP Dominator setup, maybe even Terminator X. So, what you want to do is bring up your browser, and you're going to want to type in McCainracing.com. Alright, once that loads up, if you guys don't know, guys, girls, this is pretty much my storefront for some products. You can get merchandise, everything here. But for today's video, what you want to do is click Custom Holley Displays. And for this video, yeah, it's not going to be $0, but these will be priced at $50. My other deal, I'm getting ready to upload it now, but I'm in the process of doing that right now. So you want to click on whichever color you want to go with. There's going to be quite a few variants here, and check out the description. You want to add to cart, proceed to checkout, type in all your information, which I got in here some basic stuff just for testing purposes. So once you get in all your information, I recommend setting up an account just so you can go back if you make a mistake and back out the download after you place your order, like I'm about to do right now. So you want to place order, and I'm only allowing one download for this, so that's why I said it'd probably be best to make an account for this deal. So after you do that, you want to download both of these files. One is a PNG file, the other one is the Holley file that I made for you guys. It's like super simple. So you're going to download that. Your browser might try to block it. In my case, I press keep. Download the PNG file. And now you want to pop your flash drive in. Once you get your flash drive popped in there, let's open up downloads and grab both of your files. Open up another folder. Navigate to the flash drive itself, and then you want to drag those two files that you just downloaded or purchased over to your flash drive. Once you are done with that, you want to safely remove that bad boy. Once you do that, you're gonna take the flash drive out, and we're gonna make our way to the car. I'm gonna show you guys how to set it up on your actual car. Okay, we have made it out to the car, which y'all can see. You wanna put your USB inside the Holley 7X dash supplied cable and power on the ignition. Let it boot up. Okay, y'all are seeing the loadout because it's already on my dash. So first thing you want to do is verify that you got the little eject button over here. That'll let you know that your USB flash drive is actually working. If it's not, it'll just be blank down there and you got a problem. So next thing you want to do is click menu, customize, Okay. Go in there, press layout and clear. Once it's clear, it's going to be blank. No, you did not damage the dash. You just started with a clean slate. So now what you want to do, click again, click layout, import. There goes the file, import it, which is that simple. Now the three differences that y'all aren't gonna have that I will have is the fuel and the miles per hour and the odometer. Mine are different. I run a Holley Dominator. If you have an HP or the standalone dash, then you're just gonna have to navigate to them, which is pretty simple. Click, like for the fuel, mine is called gas hand. Click customize, and you're gonna want to go find it. It's gonna be somewhere in there for y'all, wherever it's at, locate it, and just click OK. It should work. Next thing is my miles per hour. I run a 480, so I'm using that speed sensor. Most of y'all have the GPS signal, so you're gonna want to click customize, go find your signal, which is GPS speed. Then you're gonna want to click OK. Once you click OK, everything will work right. I don't have a GPS sensor, so it's gonna say no GPS. For the odometer, it should register if you have it set up right inside your dash. If I have to, I'll make another video on that. But other than that, to wrap everything up, you just click save, and pretty much you're good to go. And for whatever reason, if you get a message that says it can't locate your background, that's pretty simple to grab, which we just downloaded that file. You're gonna want to click background, change, and you should see the file. And yeah, we're around New Year's, so if y'all are watching this and purchase a layout, I appreciate it. Happy New Year's to y'all. Appreciate the business, and we get ready for the next video.